Dito tayo sa Avida Towers Prime Taft in Pasay City to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, around 22 square meters and around 3.4 million. Laki ng bathroom niya. Avida Towers Prime Taft. Malapit po tayo sa LaSalle, LRT, and sa Arellano School of Law. So yan ang view niya. Studio unit. City view. As is where is, upon turnover and first come first serve po tayo. This is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance, bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if interesado kayo dito na mag-offer and magpa-schedule ng property showing, please message us directly. Good condition naman siya, wala masyadong sira. Konting repair and repainting lang. Naka-tiles na rin siya.
Facing northwest.
Facing ano?
Northwest.
Okay.
Facing Manila.
Facing Manila, no? Diba? Sa swimming pool nila. Ito lang swimming pool nila.
Ito for tower 3 at ito tower 1. Tower 1 na sa. Mahaba yun.
Liit ng gym nila.
Balik.
Gym nila, ano lang, treadmill lang.
98 pesos per square meter. Kung yung 22 mo, 2,200 per month.
Oo. So yun lang ang gym mo, walang weights.
Okay. Yung tower 2 po. Tower 1 yan.
Dito parang hindi mainit kahit tanghali, no? Kasi natatakpan ka ng mga ano, building. Unless tanghaling tapat talaga.